Welcome guys to my channel. In this video, I will share to you one app that will turn your iPhone into Samsung Galaxy phone. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button to be updated with our latest upload. In your iPhone, open your browser and go to the site, which I put the link in the description below. Tap on the share button, scroll down, and click add to home screen. Now open the Samsung iTest app. You now get a taste of Samsung without changing your phone. So let's try to explore what's inside. The dialer is the same with iPhone UI. Let's try to dial any number.
The person you have tried to reach is not available. Maybe they're too busy playing around with the amazing features on their brand new Samsung S21.
Wow, that's cool. So it's like really you have a Galaxy phone. In the Messages app, there are some messages in there. When you open one, it's just a hint to check the app other features. In the Camera app, you can take photo, but it will play a video sharing about the Galaxy camera.
First thing that you need to know is that there's nothing that you need to know to take great shots. You just point and shoot. See that little blue icon? That's the Samsung Scene Optimizer.
The Settings app is so identical with the real Samsung Galaxy phone that I have, so these options are just for illustration and do not perform any function. Galaxy Store shows exactly what you will see in a real Galaxy device. The Gallery app shows some random pictures. Other than that, other buttons are not functional. Galaxy Wearables to connect your compatible devices, but again for illustration only. You can change your Galaxy phone appearance in the Galaxy themes, so let's try to change our theme, and then tap on Apply. Now you get the phone appearance change. So if you like more how-to tutorials, make sure to subscribe or click other video to keep on watching. Until next time, bye for now.